Morning students, in our online class today we have started the topic determiners of a practice book. Today I have discussed the concept actually what determiner is all about. I haven't touched your practice book, so just only I am trying to explain through these PDFs because these things are not in your English practice book. So determiners. See, determiners are the words which you can say is in a simple way you can say determiners have been derived from the word determine. And for example, we will start this explanation through this example. See, on the screen you can see some students like to study in the morning, and the two words are underlined, some and the. Now these two words are used just before the noun, students and morning. Now what these two words are doing, they are determining the particular noun. Okay, so determiners are the words. Okay, say if you want to define it, a determiner comes at the beginning of a noun phrase to point out noun or nouns. Now, for an example, I have few friends. You can see I have underlined. Sorry, the slides have been moved very fastly. I will move little bit slower. I have few friends. You can see here the noun is friend, and just before friends is written few, which is acting as an determiner. The next, I know what is happening, why this is moving so fast. For next example, you can see, may I have a glass of water? May I have another glass of water? Now here another is acting as a determiner. The determiner tells us whether the noun phrase is specific or general. नाउन के पहले ये लग के नाउन को पॉइंट आउट करता है कि ये स्पेसिफिक नाउन है या जनरल नाउन है. Like if I used to say that my sister is a doctor, so now my, and you can see in this slide that the word my and a is colored with yellow. That shows my, when sister, before sister my is applied. जैसे ये my sister के आगे लग गया, लड़कियों में या बहनों में मेरी बहन या फिर a doctor, which is used as in general determiner. So when we use my before sister, the sister becomes specific and a is a general determiner. Okay, so when you refer to someone or something specific, we have to use specific determiner. See, I have made two different columns, or you can say list of determiners. You can see on my screen right now I am having the list of specific determiners like the, it's, this, my, our, that, your, their, these, his, whose, those, her, one's, which. Okay, now these words are your specific determiners. Now by mistake I am touching the page number, that's why it is happening, I hope so we were talking about the list of specific determiners we have seen here. Now in the next slide you can see, when you refer to someone or something in general, we have to use a general determiner. Next slide is showing you some of the general list of general determiners. What, a little, fewest, whatever, one, and some, less, each, whichever, two, any, many, list, every, all, another, more, a few, either, both, other, most, fewer, neither, half, one, two. These words are used as general determiners. Now words that act as determiners belongs to different parts of speech. It could be a pronoun, it could be a preposition, it could be anything, any parts of speech. I hope everyone knows about that there are 7 types of prepositions, 7 types of parts of speech, or noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. It's 8 type of parts of speech. Sorry, it's a mistake. 8 type of parts of speech are there. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and then interjection. So these determiners can belong from any group, any parts of speech. Now what these determiners used to do, these are the words that comes at the beginning of the noun, introduces noun, determines noun, whether a noun is a specific or a general. These are the functions of a determiner. This is the function of a determiner. Now types of determiners. See, generally we used to read about 6 types of determiners, but here we are only going to read only 4 types of determiners. They are article determiner, which is a and the, quantifiers, which belongs to the quantity of the noun, like some, few, little, many, much, and any. Next is possessive. When we possessive means the ownership. When we used to owe something, and the words which used to show these ownership, then they are called possessives. My, your, his, her, your, their. You see, so this you can see these are pronouns. But here, when they used to be just before the noun, they will act as a possessive determiner. Same thing will happen with demonstratives also. They are this, that, these, and those. Now these are actually demonstrative pronouns, but when we use to these words to determine a noun for making it specific or general, then they becomes demonstrative determiner. Next, now we will see one by one the types of determiners. What are these? Articles. Article determines which noun the speaker is referring to. Okay. Now, articles are of 2 types. As I told, a and the are the articles, but they belongs to 2 categories. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. Now, what these means? A and an is your indefinite article, whereas the is a specific version and it is the definite article. For example, if we used to take a book is man's best friend, here a is indefinite article